You need to create a spooky, abandoned, or haunted look? There are several different tools and supplies that can be used to add that aged look to your set. In this video, we'll be using a cobweb gun, blaster dust gun, and Fuller's Earth. First thing to do is to prep the items that you will be aging. We sprayed the surface of our furniture and props with a furniture polish to help protect them from the dust and glue. You should always test the surfaces you will be using the cobweb gun and dust on to make sure that you will not cause any damages to those items. Setting up the cobweb gun is as simple as plugging it in, letting it warm up, and then connecting an air line. To get the cobwebs to span across a space, aim the gun at an angle so that it sprays across the front of one surface and onto another. After you have your cobwebs in place, it's time to add some dust. When applying dust, be sure to use an appropriate dust mask. The blaster dust gun is perfect for applying dust to large sets. A great alternative to the blaster dust gun is the hand-operated Dust-Mizer. These are a few easy-to-use tools to add that abandoned or haunted look to your set. Find these special effects products and more at rogergeorge.com.